Namaste friends, I am Rishabh Raj, the host of AI Explorers, and today I am in the studio to tell you guys about some cool places you can visit in Tamil Nadu. Since at number 1 we have Chennai. Chennai is a clear winner when it comes to the best places to visit in Tamil Nadu. I mean, it is not for nothing that this city is the capital of a state as vibrant as Tamil Nadu, adorned with temples, churches, and beaches. Chennai is like a heritage city that dwells in the modern day, offering all the comforts of a metro city, including the charm of nightlife and young and vivid crowd. Chennai is indeed the one of the best destinations to visit in Tamil Nadu, ideal for shopping, gastronomic tours, pilgrimage, and casual hangout. The capital city is as diverse as it can get. Enjoy its long coast, beautiful sunsets, after dark parties, spiced fried food, and serene ambience, and I am sure you wouldn't want to go anywhere else. At number 2, we have Mahabalipuram. Famous for its intricately carved temples and rock-cut caves, Mahabalipuram is another jewel in the crown of Tamil Nadu. The city offers beautiful sand beaches and promises an exotic shopping experience to the tourist. Right from the architecture to the serenity, the soothing atmosphere, and the impressive setting, this city renders a traveling experience unlike others. One may like to explore the Crocodile Bend, where some exquisite species of crocodiles and alligators can be sighted. The five rathers offer a tranquil atmosphere and is highly knowledgeable places to be. Kovalam and Satras are the fishing villages which have been converted into the exotic beach resorts and an absolute must visit in Mahabalipuram. At number 3, we have Kanchipuram, popular for Kanchipuram saris and also referred as the Golden City of Thousand Temples. Kanchipuram is an important pilgrimage destination in India. The city attracts a lot of tourists from all over the world who are interested in Hinduism or simply want to enjoy the marvel of South Indian architectural grandeur. Famed also for being the seat of culture and philosophy, Kanchi is one place where you can visit to find peace of mind and inner strength. The famous places in Kanchipuram are Kanchi Kamasi Temple, Kailasanathar Temple, and the Ekambareshwar Temple. The Kanchi Mutt holds the kacharis or South Indian classical music concerts in the evenings, which shouldn't be given a miss. At number 4, we have Rameshwaram. Situated on an island, Rameshwaram is one of the holiest places in India. Separated by Pamban Channel from Sri Lanka, Rameshwaram is said to be the place where Lord Rama created a bridge across the sea to Sri Lanka. The place is renowned for its magnificent prakas with massive sculptured pillars on either side. The Ramanatha Swami temple on the other side houses the longest corridor in the world. Agni Tirtham is it, another place of sightseeing. Rameshwaram as it's a place where pilgrims performs pujas in honor of their ancestors. The five-faced Hanuman temple also catches tourist eyes as this place holds a floating stone which is said to be used to build the bridge between India and Sri Lanka. At number 5, we have Kanyakumari. Dubbed as Tip of India, Kanyakumari is known for its beautiful beaches, Vivekananda Memorial, and the ever so perfect sunset. Indeed, it is one of the most exotic places to visit in India. One can find destinations here that can never cease to amaze. There are temples, churches, religious pillars, and statues everywhere. The perfect mix of culture of the place is reflected in the art, architecture, and even in the local cuisine of Kanyakumari. Those who enjoy history can undertake an excursion to the Kumari Amman temple or to the Vatakkotai fort, chilling at seashores like Sangutharai beach, Sothavilai beach, amongst plenty others is simply exotic. The Wax Museum is a different yet equally alluring place for tourists and is must see in the city. So friends, that's all for today's video. If you liked it, smash that like button and share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel for further updates. You can also follow us on Instagram, link in description.